Welcome to Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija, a municipality known for its rich agricultural heritage and natural beauty. But our land, the foundation of our livelihood and well-being, faces increasing challenges. Deforestation, soil degradation, and unsustainable farming practices are threatening our environment. We are losing valuable forests. Our soil is becoming less fertile, and biodiversity is declining. These issues impact our food security, water resources, and overall quality of life. We need to act now. Sustainable land management practices are crucial for a healthy environment and purposeful future. This means adapting to eco-friendly farming methods, preserving our forest, and restoring degraded ecosystem. We can all make difference. Let's learn from our local farmers who are already implementing sustainable practices and share their knowledge with others.
Here is our interview with Mr. Leonardo Cruzado, a member of the Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office.
Ito po yung mga naihanda po naming tanong. Yung una po, what steps are being taken to combat land degradation and promote sustainable land use?
Yung sa bahagi na yun, kailangan yung may sustain mo yung lahat ng kailangan. Meron kang programa para tuloy-tuloy yung katulad nito. Sa basura, kailangan nakalatag lahat yan. Ibig sabihin, may program. Meron kami kasing program na target sa bawat programa, na katulad yung mga residual, saka yung mga nabubulok. Tapos kami, para hindi maipon yung, kasi bawal sa atin yung katulad yung landfill. Kasi kami, yung mga basura natin, kinuha natin sa Pampanga. Doon natin tinatapon yung mga residual natin. Meron kasing doon sa kanila, meron kasing mga pandon, yung tapunan talaga ng mga basura.
Ano ang mga ginagawa niyo upang turuan at bigyang kaalaman ang mga residente tungkol sa kahalagahan ng pangangalaga sa kalikasan at sa pagtupad ng SDG 15 po?
Ang unang ginawa ang LGU, nag-conduct kami ng mga meeting sa mga barangay para ipaliwanag yung kahalagahan ng pagtatanim ng puno at saka yung pagkakaingin at saka yung pagsusunog sa bundok. Kasi yun yung problema sa bayan ng Gabaldon. Pagdating ng tag-araw, nasusunog yung bundok. Kaya yung mga punong kahoy na maliliit, pagka nasunog, wala na. Kaya nagkanda kami noong nakarang taon sa barangay ng mga meeting para hikayatin. Kasi ang pangunahin kasi na hanap buhay sa bayan ng Gabaldon ay yung pagsasaka. Ngayon, pagka hindi natin naagapan yung problema na yan, ibig sabihin, yung ilan na lang yung makapagsasaka sa bayan ng Gabaldon. Kasi pagka wala na yung punong kahoy, wala na rin sources ng balong o tubig.
We can all make difference. Let's learn from our local farmers who are already implementing sustainable practices and share their knowledge with others. We can also support organizations working to protect our environment.
Join us in our campaign to protect our green heart. Share this video, participate in our community events, and advocate for sustainable land management policies in Gabaldon.
We are partnering with Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office to raise awareness and implement sustainable practices in Gabaldon. Together, we can create a brighter future for our community and our planet.
Our campaign will include seminars, such as workshops on sustainable farming, tree planting drives, and educational sessions for local communities.
Protecting our land in a continuous effort. We we encourage you to continue supporting sustainable practices in your daily lives. And together, we can ensure a healthy and thriving environment for generations to come.
Let's work together to protect our green heart. Share this video, join our campaign, and be part of the solution. Together, we can create a sustainable future for Gabaldon.